If your profession revolves around these four things, then you can really become very rich. And so the first is roti, second is kapda, the third is makan, and the fourth is health. Now, if your profession is around this four, then definitely you can earn a lot of money. Let me give you some examples. So roti is basically food, kapda is basically textiles, and makan is like real estate, and the fourth is health, which is where, of course, if we are not healthy, we cannot survive. So you look at this, our country, people who made millions out of food like Britannia or Haldiram's, people who made billions out of clothes, that's Reliance Industries. The third would be people who made money out of real estate. Adani, they control the entire cement industry now. And the fourth is obviously health, wherein Dr. Devi Shetty of Narayana Hrudayalaya is there, and various other health entrepreneurs like Dr. Kiran Majumdar Shaw is there. If your profession revolves around any of these industries, you can make a lot of money. But now that you are specialized in biotech industry, how can you make billions? The answer is food tech industry. Now, this one industry is recession proof. People can't stop eating food unless, they don't have food, right? So obviously food will always be there. So food safety will always be a topic of concern for anybody and everybody, right? And that is why FSSAI conducts the junior analyst exam, junior food analyst exam somewhere around September. Sometimes it happens in January also, but this year it is scheduled for September, and you as a biotechnologist or a student who has expertise in biology has got the eligibility. So you have to just write this exam, and after that you will be a certified food analyst, and then you can work in various food tech industries such as Britannia or Haldiram, and various food FSSAI labs also. You can work and get a government job. And after you have gained the experience, you can write the senior food analyst exam, and then you can become a senior food analyst. And of course, this paves your way to become a food inspector also. So Biotechnica is starting a fresh batch for this junior food analyst exam, and it is starting from 9th of July. And this will be in the evening, so you don't have to worry if you are working somewhere or if you are a student, you can still attend these classes in the evening. It will be for 1.5 hours every day by our food technology expert Dr. Paushali Pal. And then we will be training you for the next 50 days so that you can go and write this exam. Last time our student secured the 3rd rank in this exam, and he is now placed as a senior food inspector. The same way, I want you also to make a career in the food industry, and then you can get government jobs as well as private jobs. And like I said, biotechnology is a bunch of technologies. Food technology is one of the most profitable technologies, just like health tech or any other tech. So you should make a career in food tech. If you are passionate about food technology, then check all the details in the description. And this batch is starting from 9th of July, and you can prepare for the next 50 days, write this exam. This exam is pretty simple. It's not that tough. All you need to know is know some food laws, and that is why 50 days of preparation will be sufficient. And then you can go ahead, write this exam, qualify, become a junior food analyst. After 3 years, you can write the senior food analyst exam, become a senior food analyst, then you can get placed as a food inspector also. So our country is big. We require more food analysts. We require more food inspectors. FSSAI needs more people like you. So what are you waiting for? Just prepare with this easy course, which is starting from 9th of July, and we will help you become a food inspector. So all the best for your career. Keep shining. Take care. Bye-bye.